Sting operations for patronizing a prostitute are on the rise in Washington state. And to make matters worse, Seattle has now renamed this to sexual exploitation. This looks really bad on a background check, it can put your job at risk, and can even have immigration consequences for non-citizens. Now, the way these stings typically operate is that the cops will post an ad on Backpage.com or some similar site and then wait for the phone to ring. They'll either sit up in a hotel room somewhere with a single undercover officer, or another popular approach they've taken is to set up these fake massage parlors for a week or so and arrest hundreds of men in one sting. And these sting operations are big money makers for the city as they look to fine you thousands, and then on top of that they want to stick you with a criminal record regardless of whether or not this is your first offense. It used to be that if we had a client who didn't want to go to trial, has no prior record, and is willing to jump through a few legal hoops, we had an excellent chance of achieving what's called a stipulated order of continuance, which is essentially a pre-trial diversion which results in a dismissal of all charges without ever having a conviction on your record. Unfortunately, these are much harder to come by these days, which is why it's more important than ever to have an experienced firm by your side to really fight this. We attack these cases from all angles. Everything from motions to dismiss, to individualized factual arguments, to mitigation packets, and if need be, trial as well. Our number one goal is to keep this off your record. Give us a call for a free and confidential consultation. We'll answer all of your questions, talk to you fully about our strategy, walk you through the process, and of course explain what we can do to help.